Welcome to Section 1, Introduction to Network Fundamentals. A network is a collection of devices connected to share data. The primary purpose of a network is to enable communication and collaboration across various locations. Networks vary in size and complexity, from small local area networks, LANs, to vast global area networks, GANs. The architecture of these networks ensures efficient data exchange and resource sharing. As the digital landscape evolves, the importance of robust network infrastructure continues to grow. Properly designed networks reduce bottlenecks and improve performance. Understanding the basic layout and functionality of networks is essential for anyone looking to secure them. Now, let's move on to Section 2, Exploring Network Components and Topologies. Network components are the building blocks of any network. Physical components, such as routers, switches, hubs, and cables, establish the infrastructure for data transmission. Software components, like operating systems and network management tools, manage network resources efficiently. Network topologies describe the arrangement of these components and the paths through which data travels. Common topologies include star, bus, ring, and mesh, each with its strengths and weaknesses. For instance, a star topology relies on a central hub, while a mesh network offers multiple paths for data, increasing redundancy. Understanding these topologies is vital for designing networks that meet specific needs. Deploying the appropriate topology can significantly enhance network performance and security. Moving forward to Section 3, Understanding Network Protocols. Network protocols are rules for communication between network devices. Common protocols include TCP/IP for internet communication, HTTP for web data, and FTP for file transfers. These protocols ensure data reaches its destination in a usable form. HTTPS integrates security measures to encrypt and protect data during transmission. SSL/TLS provides secure channels for data transfers, enhancing confidentiality. Numerous other protocols, like SNMP for network management and SSH for secure remote access, are continually refined to address new security challenges. Understanding these protocols is crucial for network administrators and security professionals. Finally, we reach Section 4, the vital role of network devices. Network devices like routers, switches, firewalls, and modems play crucial roles in network communication and security. Routers direct data packets between networks, while switches connect devices within a single network segment. Firewalls block unauthorized access, and modems convert data between digital and analog formats. Proper configuration and maintenance of these devices are paramount in ensuring network security. Misconfigured devices can create vulnerabilities exploited by cybercriminals. Regular updates, secure setup, and vigilant monitoring help prevent security breaches. Network professionals must understand the functionalities and security implications of each device. As networks become more complex, the security challenges they face also increase. Cyber threats like viruses, worms, and ransomware are constantly evolving. Data breaches can lead to significant financial losses and damage to reputation. Beyond external threats, networks face internal security challenges like unauthorized access and data leakage. The proliferation of mobile devices and cloud computing introduces new vulnerabilities. Addressing these challenges requires a comprehensive security strategy, including technological solutions and human factors. Educating employees about safe computing practices is as important as implementing advanced security technologies. Implementing robust security solutions is crucial for protecting networks from threats. Basic measures like firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems, IDS, are essential. Advanced solutions like intrusion prevention systems, IPS, SSL encryption, and virtual private networks, VPN, provide additional layers of security. IPS systems detect and automatically act against threats, while SSL encryption secures data in transit. Regular updates and patches close security gaps and prevent exploits. Comprehensive access control policies and rigorous authentication mechanisms ensure only authorized personnel access sensitive data. Regular audits and security assessments identify vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with security policies. The combination of multiple security layers and ongoing vigilance forms the cornerstone of a resilient network security posture. Software-defined networking, or SDN, represents a transformative approach to network management. SDN separates the network's control logic from the underlying hardware, allowing management through abstraction layers. This separation provides benefits like improved network management, better resource utilization, and faster service deployment. SDN enhances network security by providing centralized control, simplifying security policy implementation. The programmable nature of SDN allows for sophisticated security algorithms and strategies. SDN can dynamically adjust network configurations to isolate and mitigate security threats. SDN is popular in data centers, enterprise networks, and cloud services due to its flexibility and cost savings. As this technology evolves, it will play a crucial role in shaping the future of network architecture and security. The Internet of Things, IoT, and 5G technology are set to dramatically alter the network security landscape. IoT involves the interconnection of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity. These devices generate vast amounts of data and require secure communication channels. 5G technology enhances IoT capabilities but introduces new security challenges. The increase in bandwidth and connected devices expands the attack surface for cyber threats. Advanced security approaches like sophisticated encryption, enhanced identity management, and edge computing are necessary. Organizations must adopt new security technologies and strategies to leverage the benefits of IoT and 5G while mitigating risks. Zero Trust is a security concept that advocates for a never trust, always verify approach. This model assumes any part of the network can be compromised, requiring strict identity verification and access controls. Implementing Zero Trust involves comprehensive monitoring, granular access controls, and network segmentation. These measures minimize the impact of a breach by limiting lateral movement within the network. Zero Trust emphasizes real-time threat detection and automated response strategies. By continuously analyzing network traffic and user behavior, Zero Trust systems quickly identify and respond to anomalies. As networks become more complex, Zero Trust offers a promising alternative to perimeter-based security models. Its principles are particularly applicable in environments with sensitive data and high regulatory compliance requirements. As we look to the future, the landscape of network security is poised to evolve dramatically. Technologies like SDN, IoT, 5G, and Zero Trust will redefine secure network operations. These advancements are transformative elements shaping future security protocols. The increasing complexity and interconnectivity of networks demand adaptive and intelligent security measures. Integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning into network security provides predictive capabilities to anticipate and mitigate threats. Collaboration between industries, governments, and international bodies will be crucial in developing standards and strategies. Understanding network design and security fundamentals is essential for protecting against current threats and preparing for future challenges.